Hey, I'm Elliott from Baratza. Today I'll show you how to dial in espresso with the Sette 30. With the right workflow and a little adjustment, you'll make great espresso at home. Today's recipe is simple. 18 grams of coffee, aiming for 36 grams of espresso in about 25 to 30 seconds, a classic 1:2 brew ratio. The Sette 30 adjusts from 31 at the coarse end to 1 at the finest. Since espresso requires a fine grind, we'll start around setting 7. If you're using a lighter roast, you may want to begin a little finer, around setting 5. If you're moving several clicks finer, make the adjustment while the grinder is running or completely empty to prevent unnecessary wear on the burrs. We will be single dosing by weighing our beans first, but if you prefer, you can also weigh your coffee after it's ground. I am using a 58mm portafilter, so I will be weighing out 18 grams of coffee and dropping them into my hopper. For the first grind, I'm going to press and hold the start button to enter pulse mode. That way, the timer will count up as I grind, and I can use it as a reference to set the timer for future grinds. Once you've found the right grind setting and dose, simply enter the grind time for consistent results every time. Gently tap to level the grounds. The goal is an even bed before tamping. Hold the tamper like a doorknob. Keep your wrists straight and press firmly until the coffee pushes back. A level, consistent tamp is much more important than tamping as hard as possible. Lock the portafilter into your espresso machine, place your scale, then your cup, and start your shot. The first drop should appear after 8 to 12 seconds, and the shot should flow in a smooth, even stream with a rich crema on top. Let's taste it. Nice sweetness, balanced acidity, good body, that's what we're after. If your shot isn't quite there yet, don't worry. Dialing in usually takes a few adjustments. If your shot finishes too quickly or tastes weak or sour, make the grind 1 or 2 settings finer. Fresh coffee and a consistent tamp will also help improve extraction. If your shot takes too long or barely drips, adjust 1 or 2 settings coarser. After changing grind settings, grind a small amount first to clear coffee from the previous setting before pulling another shot. If you find your perfect shot is in between 2 grind settings, you can adjust your dose to accommodate. If you need it to go slightly faster, lower your dose by about 2 grams. If you need the shot to go slightly slower, add about 2 grams to your dose. We recommend upping your dose so that you are not pulling a weaker shot overall, but it's up to you and your taste preferences. Once you've dialed in your coffee, future shots should become easier. Keep in mind that as your beans age over several days, you may need to adjust the grinder 1 click finer to maintain the same extraction time. Espresso is all about finding the right balance of grind size, dose, and brew time. If you ever need help, visit baratza.com/support. Thanks for watching. Happy grinding. Baratza, we grind, you brew.